I'm in Ellendale Pool. Just a friendly reminder to please be careful when handling your drones. Yeah, like when that happens. No scrambled eggs this morning, it was damn too long to make them. So let's just keep it nice and simple and actually enjoy our location, which is just stunning. See, it's always in moments like this when I'm traveling and camping and I see these glorious sights. It's all just worth it in the end. And yes, you know, 4 hours one way is whatever, but like once you get there, the drive just seems like a blink of an eye. And I guess the way you enjoy your travels is how you make it, or what you make of it, or however that saying goes. But unfortunately it's time to get going because I've got to get to my original destination, which technically I was meant to be there yesterday. Oh well, better late than never. So the idea is heading back into Geraldton, maybe grab a couple of supplies, whatever, and then straight onto Kalbarri. But very first thing, shower. Definitely need a shower. Let's go! I feel like $1 million. Now that I've actually finally had a shower, we're finally, after this whole time, heading to our destination of Kalbarri. But first, slight detour. Who likes pink? I think the reason why it turns this particular color is, I don't know, I think some sort of algae or seaweed or some sort of bacteria in the water. I don't know. Editor Dimitri, why does it turn pink? The pink hue is created by carotenoid producing algae, which is a source of beta carotene, a food coloring agent and a source of vitamin A. Wait, where the hell am I? Thanks. Yeah, what he said. We apologize on the breaking of this program. We have a rogue drone. Well, to be fair, everyone and their dog is flying a drone out here. I mean, there's literally one in the sky and there were 2 more presently. So I decided to join in on the fun. But now, it's gone. It was just here! I was flying it, long way out there. I'm up on a ridge. I decided, you know what, I'm gonna set up the perfect shot. I'm gonna set up a really cool dynamic shot. There's a bit of strip of land. Once I land it, I'll hit record and I'll get going. And it was at that moment that the drone decided to disconnect. So hopefully, if I can just get a little closer, I can probably try and reconnect and get it back. Oh, to be fair, it's 1 kilometer away. I'm not trekking 1 kilometer, just trying to get a little closer, potentially even some higher ground, to maybe even have some chance of trying to reconnect. Here's hoping. Alright, Let's see if this actually works. Oh. Okay. Okay, we got a signal. Okay, sweet. We actually have... Sweet, we got it! Alrighty. Let's bring it a bit closer. Nice. Alrighty. There we are. Alright. Now we can get that shot. I'm sorry! And there we have it. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ah! Okay, we're nearly at Kalbarri. I keep saying we're gonna get there, we're gonna get there, we're gonna get there. But bloody hell, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. And guess what? It gets even better.